this is probably one of the best times for certain people that has long-term vision and that can see the future to really get into the business. What up, my people? Marco Perkins back at y'all again with LRK Logistics, and I just wanted to come at y'all and let y'all know I'm back on the road. Yes, I'm a jack of all trades. We do dispatching over here. We do some freight brokering. We really just not tapping into the freight brokering space. But as you know, we deal with specifically open deck freight, flatbed, step deck, RGN, heavy haul, right? So just wanted to come at y'all and let y'all know I went and picked up this sweetheart, right? This 2019 579 Pete, right here in the background. Look at this thing, you know what I mean? Look, don't be scared to get into it. Don't be scared. I'm pulling a flatbed, y'all. As y'all can see, let me go on ahead and walk over here so y'all can see it. Because I'm not too good with the camera and flipping it around and doing all that. But as you can see, it's the flatbed right here. I'm pulling a 48-foot sprayed axle flatbed. But listen, y'all, don't be scared to jump out there and invest. The market might be down as for rates and everything, but also remember the prices of equipment is down as well. Get in the game, man. Come on now, get in the game, make you some money, right? I went and picked up this truck. I actually make a video about how much I got the truck for, but I went and picked up this truck for next to nothing. You know, I might put some pictures over there, over here, or something like that of prices of trucks or whatever like that. You can get Pete's 386s right now, you know, in the 2012, 2010s up to like 2016 area, from 20 to 30 grand, right? This one here is right around 40 grand. I'm renting this trailer right here, so I didn't buy this trailer. I'm just doing the flatbed for right now. The RGNs, a lot of people are getting into heavy hauls, so the RGNs are a little bit expensive right now. I'm kind of waiting on them to come down, but I did talk to some people earlier to rent a trailer, right? Got some options. One guy I was thinking about renting a trailer from I think his name is the trucking guy on YouTube, on Instagram. He's down in Florida, right? Excuse me, y'all. But thinking about getting a trailer from him, but I got a couple options, right? So this is something we're gonna start out with. I'm probably gonna put a driver in this truck with this trailer when I swap over to heavy haul, when I get an RGN. But just wanted to come at y'all, give y'all some motivation. It's Monday motivation. Man, let's rock on, man. Let's get out here, get in these trucks, get in the market. Let's get it going and make this money. Do not be scared to invest. Do not be scared of the trucking industry right now. This is probably one of the best times for certain people that has long-term vision and that can see the future to really get into the business, right? Don't be scared, man. Let's get it, y'all. Real talk. Peace.